We are at the Pacific Ocean at a place known as Land's End, which holds the ruins of the once famous Sutro baths. Built by Adolf Sutro in 1894, and it was opened in 1896 with saltwater pools and an aquarium. But now there's only ruins left of this once thriving playground by the sea. The bathhouse continued for decades but eventually failed, so Sutro's grandson turned it into an ice skating rink. But years later, in 1966, the whole structure caught fire and burnt down to the ground. There are also many miles of trails along the coast here, and when you get towards Eagle Point, you'll get a nice view of the Golden Gate Bridge. See what's on the other side over here. It's like tunneling you Yosemite, huh?
Sure does.
If you're coming out to Land's End, give yourself at least half a day to explore this area and come early because parking is limited. We hope you enjoyed this episode of California Outdoor Adventures.